Now go to Discord and create a new server for my friends or something, anything like you can now. Okay, skip. Make a server name like AI photos, then create server. This is the server link and the server is created. Click skip. The server is created. Okay, now go to Chrome. Better. Okay, and click accept invite. Leave. It will open the Discord again and select confirm. Sorry for the noise. And verify this to saying containing forest panda. Okay, the pandas. Now it's done. Now come here and see newcomers room. Click this and you can type anything and it will make. And below you will find the newcomers room. There is this types of room, and in the above in the right hand corner click this icon, and below you will find the bot. Click the bot and click add to server, and now click the server option. Select your server. Now authorize all the permissions. Okay, now go to our server. This is the server, and you can see the Midjourney bot is here. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Now type a message like this, imagine, and type whatever you want. Like, now let's type something, a cat with sunlight. Now press send, and you have to accept this. Waiting, let's see. Let's see what they made. I can see the cat, and wow, the photo is created. Cat with sun. Let's try another. What should I try? A planet. No, let's try a apple with a computer. Let's try this. Okay, I can see the apple. Wow, this is fantastic. Apple with a computer. Nice. Also, you can change the version. Wait, you will see this version options like there. You can change. Let's change to 3. It will wait for some time. Look, it changes. Now we need to create a portrait AI. The video purpose, the video title you see. Let's take a photo and paste it here. So now I will upload a photo. Let's click here and allow. I will upload Messi. So the Messi is being uploaded. Okay, Messi is uploaded. Now click Messi and copy the link. This is the link. Link is copied. Now type the same command, imagine, and here paste that link, and you have to type the imaginary word like cyber punk style blue light. Now send. Let's see. Okay, I can see the blue. Is that Messi? It's look like Messi, but not perfect. It's still working on it. Wow, it's done. Wow, it's fantastic. Look, how's the look? Nice. Let's react. Nice. So the video is end. So if you like this video, please do a subscribe and also like the video and share to your friends. Thank you.